pasta, boneless chicken breast, cooking cream, Parmesan cheese grated, butter, garlic cloves chopped, olive oil, black pepper, salt to taste. Be sure to remove any excess fat. Pan over low heat. Once melted, add the chicken and cook it over medium heat until it turns a light. After peeling, wash the garlic and remove the bitter root tip. Chop the garlic with a knife or use a food processor to get it finely minced. Once chopped, store it in the fridge until ready to use. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Once the water is boiling, add a pinch of salt and drizzle of olive oil. This helps prevent the pasta from sticking together. Now add penne pasta and cook according to the package instructions. Usually 8 to 10 minutes until al dente. Al dente means the pasta should be firm to the bite, not too soft. Once the pasta is done, strain it and preserve some of the pasta water. This will help adjust the sauce later if needed. Take a saute pan and add butter and olive oil. Cook it over medium-low heat until the butter is melted and the oil is heated. Pour in cooking cream. Add the chopped garlic and cook until fragrant, being careful not to burn it. Stir continuously to prevent the cream from sticking or burning. When the cream starts to thicken, add the grated Parmesan cheese and stir until the fully melted into the sauce. Lower the heat and let the sauce gently cook it until rich creamy texture. Now add the cooked chicken back into the pan. Followed by the cooked penne pasta. Stir everything together, making sure pasta is too thick. Add a bit of the reserved pasta water to loosen it up for a smoother texture. Let everything cook over low heat for about a minute, then season with salt and pepper to taste.